To play Magenta's clues, we gotta find three.
Poppins.
Three pop-ins, right. And we gotta find our first.
Clue.
A clue. And then we put it in our notebook, because they're Magenta's clues. Magenta's clues. We gotta find another pop-in, that's the second clue. We put it in our notebook, because they're his clues. Magenta's clues. We gotta find the last pop-in, that's the third clue. We put it in the notebook, because they're Magenta's clues. Magenta's clues. You know what to do, sit down in your thinking chair, and think. Cause when we use our minds, take a step at a time, we can do anything.
Bok.
That we wanna do. Are you ready? It's time to play Magenta's clues to figure out who should scare Saucer's hiccups away. Will you help? You will? Great.
We better get going. We've got to cure Saucer's hiccups before the Great Sky Race.
Yeah. Let's go.
A clue!
Oh yeah, can't fly Saucer while standing. Better get the thinking chair back in its place.
No, a clue!
Oh, it is a clue. And it's on these paw prints. These paw prints are our first clue to who should scare Saucer's hiccups away. Alright, we need our notebook. Let's draw a circle, with 4 little circles for the toes. Another one like this. And another one. There, paw prints.
And now me. So we draw a circle, with little ones on top. Another one just like this, and another one. There, paw prints. So, who can scare Saucer's hiccups away, with paw prints?
Yeah, maybe. But let's look for 2 more clues, just to be sure. But right now, let's get going. We've got some hiccups to cure.